Good evening. Good evening. I think all are settled, and I think a good starter. We all had good starter hope. So starter वाले भैया, अभी हमको थोड़ा बात करने दो. Thank you. Yeah. Good evening and welcome to the today's we have investor meet from Origa and Swayam. You may be wonder because obviously we know each other from our other director also. You may not know me or somebody knows other director also and other director, but it's okay. But end of the day, we all know each other. And so what is the basic agenda of today's program is to take the new ideas, basically. We discuss the new ideas about the investment and what's going on in economy and overall world, kya chal raha hai. Because everybody in here in search of something, कि भाई where should I invest and मेरे पैसे कैसे double हो, right? कोई है कि जिसको ऐसा लगता है कि I'm not interested to, my money should not grow. Anyone here? No. So it is all about the growth story, what we are talking about. So when we all have to grow, our money should also grow, we should also grow. And the end of the day is the Darwin theory is also reflected here because we are all here to grow indefinitely. But can we grow properly? Can we grow on the right path? Are we growing properly, taking all precautions? Who are going to tell us what is right or wrong? Who are going to tell you which side you should look at and which side not? Who should give you the right perspective of the things? Obviously, everyone has their own perspective. That's why market is volatile. But basic fundamentals are the same. Like this company is running, you can't say the company is big enough. You don't have one case here. I think everybody knows. I don't take name. The factory is there. The electricity bill of 1 year is 1.2 lakh. So everybody understands. So these are fundamental things. Maybe you have perspective about that company different. You are bullish, not bullish. But when you heard about something, where factory and the bill of the electricity is 1.25, is drastically something wrong. So the world is full of that. And after, I think, last 10 years, 15 years, things are moving every day, everything. People see Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Hang Seng, Nikkei. वो सब रात को देखते सुबह देखते but उसका कोई मतलब I think there is no sense because how we analyze all things, because the analysis is something different. How we evaluate is in our mind, our skill, and that is exactly we are going to discuss about what is our perspective. Our other director Jennifer will tell us about what is Origa all about. But here is the idea is which perspective we are taking with the overall experience of the 35 years, in market, understanding the basic understanding of market as well as economy. So I think, but before that, starting, we are also launching today one movie trailer. So I just have 2 minutes because just launch of one trailer of the movie. Just bear with us for 2 minutes. Yeah. Music. Then again, you can. Stop. So here we are going, this movie is going to run everywhere, unsuccessfully, but in world. We all know, right? Designed by so-called Donald Trump, US administration. And when tariff comes, everybody has their own perception how it's going to be. But I think let's understand what is the idea about this tariff. Obviously its impact to the world and with the China, obviously the trade war has been started. But what about India? You know, we need to see the India perspective. So if we see the India perspective, there is a lot of tariff on some items, not tariff on some items. But what is the takeaway? What I understand, I just giving an idea about the 5-7 minutes into the taking a cue from the tariff to the current economy was a turmoil, and how we can have a silver line in that turmoil. Because people always feel something happens somewhere, and you always blame the person कि he's a fool, इसको कुछ आता नहीं है, अकल नहीं है, you know, we all, I think you meet the train or everybody, ताकि वो तो पागल है, कुछ भी बोलता है. I think we all know, right? We all say कि ट्रम्प को कुछ आता नहीं है, मॉर्निंग में कुछ बोलता है, सुबह में कुछ बोलता है. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. See, try to understand. If you have understanding of international geopolitics and also how the things evolve over the period of years, and the supremacy of USA is going down since so many years, and also the perspective and the risking from the US to only one item to they also want to grow. Same like it's, you can say it is like understanding and the arising of the, you can say एक ब्रह्मज्ञान होता है तो वो समझ में आ गया उसको कि भी actually end of the day how country should move in world, you know, whether India or I think and the Modi ji is doing the slightly same thing. Either Donald Trump learn from him or he is going to learn from him, that to be seen. Because when such thing happen, it happens with the positioning. ऐसा नहीं होता है. मतलब people always say कि वो रात को सपना आया और सुबह उनसे टैरिफ लगा दिया. You know, ऐसा होता नहीं है, ऐसा होता नहीं. Because try to understand the problem in USA. USA is a by and large same thing, except one or two industry, nobody is happy. Over the period of time, we see a USA is a very rich and developed country, so everybody's US is happy. It's not like that, because one should understand. We only go for 10 days and vacation and coming back. We don't know US. How you know US? You know US कि मैं US को जानता हूँ. How you know that country? आप घूमने के लिए गए हो. Like Switzerland, you go. क्या जानते हो? I think Somji knows. I went 3-4 times because some different reason and different village में गया मैं. Then I understand that how, what is Switzerland? What we are seeing in Switzerland is something different from the 360 degrees view. So understanding of any country and USA, and country like USA, we always say कि हाँ सब खुश है, सब अच्छा है. But the people large and by and large are not happy with the administration all these years. Number one, there is a lot of resentment among them. What we should do, and the old ideas about the interfering in all country and spending lakhs and lakhs of dollars in other countries, so that somehow last 5-10 years they understand why we should use this money, taxpayers' money, to make others happy or keep कि मैं बड़ा भाई हूँ, you know. So idea is the US is like over the period of time they develop the idea about US is I am big brother. Right? So big brother को क्या होता है कि सब लोग उसको खुशामद करते हैं और वो सारा अच्छा तू ये ले अच्छा ले. So the US are developed like this कि भाई okay वो तुमको पैसा दिया 10 billion तुमको 10 billion इसको दे दिया because people praise them and they give how our Raja Maharaja used to have. But then the understanding of this regulator, they understand कि why we are spending so much money in others country, you know, there is no sense. Because now is not time to that, or plus whatever we want to achieve, we achieved, already achieved. Right, and we are achieving from discussing, we are achieving from partnership, we are achieving from this. So every time you don't have a send money and do coup and killing the people and only your one industry is only weapon industry is growing. So that is not right thing way. Secondly, there has to be, and this is a basic economy also, if someone, see, economists see the number, only hard fact which is shown. But any country, 3-4 company cannot rule for 30-40 years. You have to have disruption. So Trump has to make 2 points. एक से दो शिकार के. एक तो he tried to supremacy around the world कि मैं हूँ वापिस मैं ही डॉन हूँ मैंने कर दिया अभी you come to me for discussion. I will not go to you. Second, he disrupt the companies, top giants, tech giants, other giants also. कि you become complacent. The company which is too big to fall, And this is learned very hard way on Corona. This is, I think, Trump administration learned this thing at the time of Corona, where USA has to bail out with the crores and crores of dollar with all company because these company are too big to fall. I think, I don't know this word you know or not, but I think there's so many company now in world. It's too, आप उसको बंद कर ही सकते नहीं हो, आप ये fall ही नहीं हो सकते. So if you make such type of companies and they rule the world, what you do? You the country. So you have to have disruption. So with tariff, Trump message is to disrupt it. भाई काम करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो नहीं चलेगा, नहीं तो go out, टैक्स लगा देंगे आपको हम, लोग नहीं लाने देंगे, use American और बंद कर दो. So some strict rules should be there, and we have to disrupt. So I think, and there is no new company coming up because of monopoly of the tech giants. They don't want नया company का नाम आता ही नहीं है. मतलब what was the new company? You tell us. Same happens in everywhere, and same something happened in India, and that exactly what last 2 months. If you see, I met I think BSE 150 years last week was there. And then Nirmala Sitharaman said one thing, we are so bullish on SME. We will do each and everything to bring out these SMEs to unfold in India. We are totally focusing on our SMEs and MSME companies. That's all. We will do everything in our hand, how we can promote SME, get them listed, get them give fund or whatever we can do. So idea is to, you have to cultivate the new companies. उसका आना ही पड़ेगा नया कंपनी को. If you don't bring that new companies, how can this 30-40 years, मतलब साम्राज्य नहीं चल सकता किसी का. And this is exactly what we learn in olden days of Jamindar and this thing. So this is the new world Jamindars, all the tech companies, giant companies, they run countries. So this is a red light, and that is exactly what the Trump administration started to do something. One thing is you to come to me because I don't want you come to me and negotiate. 2, I will not spend any taxpayers' money on your stupid things. No aid, nothing. Stop. Again, they stop the fund to the university also, very rightly. If you are anti-India, anti-USA, why should I fund you? So that, and plus third is obviously to message to the home industry that this should be not tolerated and the new companies should become. So now India has a time to see, just 1 minute for India and then we wrap up. As far as India is concerned, what we are seeing, same thing. Vietnam पे duty ज़्यादा हो गई है, Indonesia पे duty ज़्यादा है. The two are the major in cotton, in yarn and garments, everywhere. 10% more on Vietnam than us. So now is a time to pull up your socks and go to the business and start the factory, start the business. And the government is doing, you will see a lot of pressure, lot of push-up in the manufacture side from government. I think in Modi ji is going around the India. Orissa में गए, हर एक state में जाके investors opening कर रहे हैं. How you can develop a country, develop a new companies. और जो company है उसको they are motivate them to come out with the IPO or public issue or come out something, because the top companies are still reluctant कि भाई हमको पैसा नहीं चाहिए. It's not about पैसा. It's about the wealth distribution, wealth creation, and which is good for the country. So money is how you take it. Money is how you create a wealth. Wealth accumulation and wealth distribution is good for country. You single person only earn the money, that is one part. So India is a golden chance now to push up their socks, focus on manufacturing, and there is also new ideas. There is a lot of new ideas like renewable energy. Energy sector is very good now. Chips is coming up. Lot of new ideas coming. Not like we have to focus on only thing. And that's, I think, very famous. I think so many criticism on the Piyush Goyal statement. Why you only do all the delivery app? And he's absolutely right, I think. Why should not different ideas? Why we stick to the some same typical model of from outside? So end of the day, I want to see कि when we are in India, you should develop something Indian. How Indian people think. The problem is we impose what we bring from outside and we try to impose. And हम बोलते हैं भाई वो तो 10 साल loss होगा. क्यों होगा? बस वो idea. But because people don't understand this thing for 10-15 years and you making losses. and telling the other people, you making fool of us, काम में बुद्धि नहीं है क्या? So this is nothing against anyone, but we should awake and arise what is exactly happening to see that what is a basic structure, basic companies, what companies are doing, and now more and more companies should start, more and more companies should generate the production based in production. Maybe production we don't go for the traditional. There is a lot of new ideas. Why not new ideas in manufacturing? So it's a golden period, maybe same night, 4 to 5 years. Government is doing two things. And also the government is reducing the lot of dependency on FIIs. Those days are gone when they say P-note nahi karoge to the market collapse ho jayega 40%. That those are gone. Now no condition apply as far as this Modi administration. No one can blackmail them now. You do whatever you want to sell, you sell and go away. So Modi government is doing the increase the scare. You know how much percent is now the investor is in India? Anyone knows? 11 crore. And how much is direct doing business with stock market? 5 crores. Just imagine if Modi administration opened the account 40-50 crores in 10 years of Jan Dhan. If this accounts open, 22 crores investor will be there in next 5 years. You see why we want anyone to invest in Indian stock market. We are here. We don't want money. If they want to bring money, they money in manufacturing. That's exactly the whole idea. The basic idea of 20 years back, हम पैसा लाएंगे, शेयर में डालेंगे, FI बन के आएंगे, business में नहीं डालेंगे, आपके फैक्ट्री में लगाएंगे. That's the thought process. That's why we are behind, because they are focusing on China that time. But now the geopolitical things have changed. So now they also proposing कि भाई आप भी manufacturing करो, हम भी करते हैं. US are telling कि we are also going to start manufacturing so many things. You also start manufacturing something, and we reduce the dependency on the China as well as other country. You know, so this is whole idea. How much we can encash, how much we can do, time will tell. But very interesting idea, exciting ideas, and you have to check whether how you should see the ideas. You know, unless and until we don't focus on new ideas, new experiment, we are not survive, because as a normal economy also you can't stick to something which is too good and too bad. Jack Welch always say, you have to change every 20 years. Whether CEO is fantastic. If you're giving 100% return also every year on year, you should change at 20 years. Because आपको क्या मालूम नया आएगा वो 500 टाइम करेगा. You don't know. So what you know is you know. What you don't know is you don't know. But you don't know what you don't know. So I think something contrary view perspective. आप देखो नया क्या आ रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. Try to understand, and we are there to always help you. Thank you very much.